Back to my channel. Once again, my name is Arike. Clients, the difference between our front and our back measurement is 2 inches. So while we have 25 inches for the front here, the back measurement will be 23 inches. So I will, I will mark the 23 inches here. And I will have to square the line. So this means you will not be using this side for the back, but you use this full place for the front. So as we were saying, and the difference is usually done at the waist area. It usually happens at the waist area because you'll be closing the bust dart, and if you close the bust dart at the front, it automatically equates with the back at the side seam. Okay, so let's start the tutorial. So the first thing we do here is use the back measurement. That is 15 inches. You divide it into two. That is 7.5. You mark your 7.5. And also to determine the armhole, you divide your bust by 6. The answer you get, you will add 1.5 to it. So now we'll be calculating 38 inches divided by 6 plus 1.5. It gives what? 7.8. So that's 7.8. You'll be adding 1 inch to it for your shoulder slope. Okay, so 7.8 plus 1 inch, that will be 8.8. So 8.8 is around this side. 8.8. So spread the line together. I'll be using my marker pen to make the line more visible for you. The chest line. So at this chest line, we also mark our back measurement so that it can be equal to this. So this is 7.5. So we come to the back also, we mark 7.5. Alright. So we square the line together. Very good to use a pencil first so that if you make mistake, it's easier for you to clean. And also, after you use your pencil, then you can now make it bold with your color pen. Okay, so now we already got the chest line. So let's also take our vertical measurement. So our vertical measurement, first we deal with the front. So the first one we do is your bust point. So the bust point is 11.5. For this client, our bust point is 11.5. The next one is the under bust length. Under bust length, our under bust length is 14.5. 14.5. And also the waist, which is 17.5 for the front. So rule the line. We actually want to label the line so that you will know which one is which. So this is the armhole line or the chest line. This is the bust point. I wrote BB. Then under bust UB. Then waist W. So for the back, the difference between the front and the back, which is 2 inches, between the front and the back is now we now show at the waistline. So now the back measurement will now be, for the waistline will now be 15 and a half. So uh, so I'll be dealing with the front first. So after that, I'll get to the back. So let us face the front. So we already got our chest line, bust point, under bust, waist, and the full length of the blouse. Okay. So for the front, for the shoulder slope of the front, I'll be taking 1.5 for the shoulder slope, 1.5 inches. Okay. So to calculate the neck, the neck we will be dividing the bust by 12 inches, and by 12, then bust by 12, that is 38 divided by 12. So 38 divided by 12 gives 3.16. So I can actually make it 3.25. It's just a standard, because at the end of the day I will still alter the neck to the style I want to make. So 3.25, also here 3.25. Then I'll come with my hammer cuff and make a round shape. Okay. So we've got the shoulder slope for the front here. Okay, let's go to the back. To do the back, we'll be using 3.25. So 1.25, 25. The basic bodies block. We are not yet making alteration. So this is a basic bodies block. Okay, so the next thing we do is to draw the armhole. And to draw the armhole, at the front, you go up from the chest line, you go up by 3 inches. This is a standard. Okay, and when you go up by 3 inches, at that point of 3 inches, you go in by 0.5 inches, because of the fold here. Most people don't do it, but at the end of the day, after sewing, they will now be getting folds here. But to be able to remove the fold here, we come in by 0.5 here. So when you come in by 0.5, draw your bust measurement. So the bust measurement is 38. So 38 divided by 4, that is 9.5. So 9.5, you measure your 9.5. So this place, you connect it together. You make sure they are touching each other. You make sure it's touching here and it's touching here. So now we draw the armhole cuff. So let me use my colored pen to make it good. So for the back, first of all, the slope, the shoulder slope for the back, you just come down by 1 inch, not 1.5, please. For the front is 1.5, and for the back is 1 inch. So you draw the straight line in 1 inch instead of 1.5 for the front. So 1 inch, I mark my 1 inch here, then I connect it to the neck. So that is the back shoulder slope. And also to get the armhole of the back, instead of going up by 3 inches at the back, at the front that we did here, what we do here is to divide it into 2. So to make it easier, and fold our mark. And at this point, you also go in by 0.5 inches. So draw your armhole. So take your bust measurement. Okay, before taking the bust measurement, there is one we'll be doing a tightening at the back. What I'm using for this 5 inches here, for 0.5 inch rather for the back tightening. So I'll connect from here to here. I'll divide it into two. Okay, so from there I'll connect here, then I'll also connect here to the hip line as is the floor. I'm going to connect like this. I'll connect these points together. Also connect this to the length, which is also the hip line, because it is the hip measurement we are going to take at that point. Let me make this line bold so I can write it here. From this point, I'll be taking the bust measurement, and the bust measurement we are using, that is 9.25, 9.5, 9.5. Okay, so now we make our and the waist of this client is 33 inches. 33 divided by 4 is 8.25. So because you'll be using that, and that for that allowance, you'll be using 1 inch for that. So 8.25 plus 1 inch, that is 9.25. So connect it together. Hips is 20 inches. 20 inches. So because I want to also make the dart to be a little bit extended to the hip, so I'll be using half. So 10 and half. Alright. So at this place, at this point, at the waistline, we'll be using the nipple to nipple measurement at the bust span to determine what we use for the waist dart. So for the waist dart, our bust span is 1.5. If we divide 7.5 into 2, that will be 3.75. So 3.75 here. So because we removed half inch here, we add the half inch to the 3.75. That will be 4.25. And also at this point, to make a straight line, also 4.25. So we remove the line to make it a straight line. Let's use pencil first. And you come down by 1 inch. So, and at the waistline, make it, because we added 1 inch, so we'll be removing half inch here, then half inch from the other side. So this is half and this is half. And at the hip line, we added half inch to the hip line, so 0.25. So we connect these lines together. 3.75. So at the bust point, 3.75. We also take half inch from both sides, and also 0.25 from both sides here. So connect this place to the bust point and also this place. Right. So and the side back equal. We take the waist measurement. The waist measurement is 8.25 plus 1 inch that we use for this dart, that is 9.25. So you connect it from the bust. And also the hip is 10 inches plus the half inch we move. Our side front and the side back equal, we take out our bust dart. That is the 2 inches difference between the front and the back. Now from the bust point here, we come down by 2 inches. Then extract the 2 inches difference here, so you connect it to the bust point here. So connect it like this. So this is a basic bodice block for front and for the back. To make it equal, what you just do is to cut open. I'm not going to cut because I still want to alter it into a bustier. So if you want to make this place equal, what you have to do is to cut this place. You slash the you slash the dart line to this point. Also slash the this line here. Then okay, let me illustrate it for you. What you do is to cut it here. This point, maybe that line. Yeah, at this point, you fold it. Join this place. Okay. So this is when we'll be needing our paper tape. Make it closer. But after closing our bust dart, this place does not match to this place. So what you do is to come in with your French curve at the bust line at this place. You can just join it to the waist. And that's it. So you make your label. This is the center front, this is the side front, this is the center back, and this is the side back. And this is all about this video of the basic bodice block. The next video, in my next video, I'll be teaching you how to alter this pattern into bustier, whether princess dart bustier or our normal bustier. Please like, share and comment. If you have any question, please drop it at the comment section. I'll be addressing it as soon as I see it. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.